3 mockup plugins to use your Figma design. The name of this plugin is called Simple 3D. So you can use it in your next design and use it to make 3D effect of shapes or alphabets or letters you have. But you have to flatten your text if you want to make use of text. So in this video, I'll be making use of a random shape. I'm using this star shape to do that, and you can adjust the orientation you want. You can toggle if you want it to be stroked, if you want it to be filled. You can toggle it depending on what you want it to be, and also the lines. Also, you can walk around the lines and increase the lines. You can increase the number of stroke you want also. So for this video, I'll be using something like this, just something basic, and you can also adjust how deep you want the extrude to be. So if you want a very high number, you use a very high value for it. So just press internal design, and with that you can be able to have something very cool. A very good thing about this plugin is that it allows you to adjust the color. Even when you are done with it, you can adjust the color, you can adjust the orientation, and you can use it in your design. So the name of the plugin again is Simple 3D. See you in the next video. Cheers.